Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if your Honor X100 Lite got stuck in a boot loop. First of all, make sure that your device is charged enough to turn on, as being discharged is simply one of the most common issues for that. So connect a charging cable to your device. Now make sure that your device is being charged with the original power adapter, or at least with the one that can charge it that has 20 watts capacity, which should be enough for this device to charge. And see if this icon shows up on your screen. So this icon is supposed to show up anytime you connect any charging cable to your device. And after some time, try turning your device on by simply pressing and holding the side button. And in case it will not work for you, sometimes it may be caused by some third-party application interference or some background activity interference. To outrule this possibility, we can boot our smartphone into the safe mode. To do that, we're gonna have to connect our device to a computer using a USB-C cable. So connect a USB-C cable to your smartphone. One side goes into your smartphone, the other one into the PC. You don't have to download any software. Simply press and hold the power button and volume up button at the same time. Wait until your phone vibrates, and then you can release the power button and keep holding the volume up key. This will make you boot into the boot mode or recovery mode, and here we can select safe mode. And after selecting safe mode, your device will boot into the safe mode. So if your device can boot into the safe mode, then you're gonna have to go there and then delete the application, the recent applications that you downloaded, in order to prevent them from blocking your device from starting up, or just perform a factory reset operation. So in the safe mode, you will see this indicator in the bottom left corner of your screen. Now if you can sign into your smartphone, go into settings, and then either go to apps, select manage apps, and then delete the apps that could have caused this kind of issue, or just perform a factory reset operation. But before you do that, also perform a backup. So let's go to system and updates. And here, let's go to backup and restore. Make sure to create a data backup using backup tool. And after that, go to reset phone, and perform a full factory reset of your device. And then restore the data from the backup after you set up your phone again. Now, what to do if you cannot access your device through the safe mode? Well, in this case, we'll still be able to get to recovery mode in the using the method that I showed you before, so holding down the side button and the volume up button at the same time. Let me just do this one more time. Okay. And here we're gonna have to select clear data. So if the display of your device is unavailable, you can use volume buttons to navigate and power button to select. Select clear data, and then you can either wipe cache partition here before performing a factory reset, or you can perform a factory reset straight away. Confirm factory resets after entering yes in this field. And then select factory reset, and your device will be reset to defaults, and all data will be erased from your phone. And after that, the problem should be gone. If it's not, then you should definitely reach out to Honor customer support service and ask for their further guidance. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.